Hey, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. I'm excited to show the new Mophie speedport 120. These have been sold out online for a couple of days, but they are coming back in stock now. This does 120 watts out of these 4 ports. And as you can see, it's labeled on here, 100 watt, 100 watt, 20 watt, 12 watt, but we'll give you some more details about how this works. It has a cord that comes out of the wall that plugs in here, so it doesn't have to be directly connected to the wall, which I like, so it can stay on your desk for easier plugging in. Here's some details on here. All those details will be on the description below, so you can go ahead and pause at any time. But what's great is you get these 4 ports, you get the light, and here's some more details. So the top port, you can use 67 watts or 100 watts. Second port, 20 watts, 45 watts, 67 or 100 watts. Third port, 20 watts. And the fourth port, which is a USB-A port, up to 12 watts or 5 watts. So you can use a combination of 120 watts with those 4 ports. Uses GaN technology, and their power delivery output ports, which is also excellent. So it can drive your iPad Pro and your MacBook Pro M1, M2, 13-inch, no problem. Charge your iPhone 14 Pro Max as well, no problem. So we have this iPhone here. We're going to plug this in. It's one cable in the back, and it's a long cable. It comes with Velcro. All right, so that's plugged in there. And now we're going to plug in this USB-C to Lightning anchor cable. Plug it in on the top. So if you want to fast charge your devices, this is definitely what you want, because you can do multiple at the same time. And now we're plugging it into the iPhone 10. And then we're going to turn it on. There we go. So now it's charging the iPhone 10 at its fastest speed possible through the Mophie speedport 120. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.